This is the Okuma MU400 with the Cimatron. This case we tie to the cutting show for the 5-axis simultaneous. If you see, the quality of the surface is very good. In this case, we do program it so easy. Normally, when many people thinking about do program for the 5-axis, they thinking it's difficult to do, it's not safety. But Cimatron is so easy and safety and good quality. My name is CHUCHART SIVAVETKUL. Yes, I am the General Manager of Mygrowtech Thailand. I have the official partner for the 5-axis about SSM company. He sell the Okuma and the loader. And I cooperate with the Mazak and the Hermle. This is I have the cooperate the 5-axis company in Thailand. Cimatron is very good software for the CAD, CAM, mould, die. Actually, we can save the time. Easy to do. If you do the many software, you need to time to do the program to the long time. But for me, for the Cimatron, it's not too long, very short, very easy. You can save the time a lot for the CAD when you need to check the surface or fix some surface, or you to design the mould. Some software use the time to design the mould too long. But Cimatron, we have the special command and option. We can save the time a lot for the mould and die. And for the CAM, it's a good point Cimatron. We have the good toolpath. We have the calculate time is very short in the preview or the save stock. Yeah, actually for the 5-axis, Cimatron is the best.